everybody, it's Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here today with the unboxing and DIY for the June 2020 Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So, first of all, if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. Once a month, I bring you essential oil recipe box videos, but usually my videos are bringing you the best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. So, like I said, my name is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. If you like learning about essential oils, please give this video a big thumbs up. And let's see what's in our June recipe box. As always, you get 4 oils in each month's box, along with some extras to put together the recipes that come in your box. You get 6 recipes each month, and there is a theme. This month's theme is oily first aid. So for minor bumps, bruises, skin irritation, things like that. So you can get a better idea if you look at the little stickers that you get. First, they give you labels for the 4 oils that you get in your box, and then also for all the things that you're going to make using the items in your box. So let's see what oils we get for the month of June. Lavender, first of all, which is one of my favorite. Lavender, you use it to relieve pain. It also calms, kills germs, heals the skin, deodorizes, relieves allergies. And then on this card, they always give you like safety things for if you're pregnant, if you have young children, and if it's safe for cats or dogs. I know lavender is something that if you're having a hard time sleeping, you can put a little lavender and it does help calm you so that you're able to sleep. So a full size 15 milliliter bottle of lavender. The other single oil is called Timber. Now you can kind of maybe get an idea that this is going to have kind of a woodsy smell. It says Timber calms and supports skin health. The ingredients, oh, I guess it is a blend. It has cypress, cedarwood, sandalwood, patchouli, Peru balsam, and mandarin. I gotta smell this. It says it has a woody vanilla aroma and can be used for gentle skincare. So let's see. Oh yeah, that doesn't smell overly woodsy, if that makes sense. That is a really nice. So this is a blend. It's called Timber. This is also a blend. It's called Bumps and Boo-Boos. Let's see what is in this. I can't say that. Helichrysum, lavender, tea tree, and lemon. So those are all very healing oils, so that makes sense. Ooh, and that smells really, really good. The tea tree in there especially. It says Bumps and Boo-Boos kills germs and heals skin. And again, has the ingredients, the single oils blended together, like I mentioned. Awesome. The last one that is a single oil is cardamom. Cardamom is good for digestion, alertness, warming, and pain relief, and also is a decongestant. So that is just a single oil. It is taken from the seeds, the cardamom seeds. Ooh, I like that smell. I don't think I've ever smelled that before. So this one is a smaller one. It's a 5 milliliter. Some of them that are a little pricier oils, they're a little finer. They come in a smaller bottle. They're more concentrated. You don't need to use as many. So those are the 4 oils that come in the June box. The extras that we get, this is cool, some aloe vera gel. This is a 2 ounce. Looks like it's got a little... So that is pure aloe vera gel. I'm assuming we're going to make something, some sort of skin salve with that aloe vera gel. And then we also get our dried calendula flowers. Oh, these are marigolds. Okay, so this is the marigold. the dried flowers. So that's pretty cool. We're going to make something with those as well. So that's what you get in the June monthly box. Now, maybe you're thinking, that doesn't seem like I'm going to have everything to make anything with that. So let me remind you that when you order your first box, and then if you continue subscribing every 6 months, you get a new bonus box. So the bonus box contains a large 12 ounce of cold pressed solid coconut oil, because we use this in some of our recipes. I think we use this today. You also get a 4 ounce liquid coconut oil and a 4 ounce liquid almond oil. These are called carrier oils. You use this with some drops of oils to be able to like roll them on your skin and things like that. You also get 2 ounces of beeswax that you use in some of the recipes. You get 6 blender bottles. Has the little, if I can't get it out, you get it out after you put the oils in, but anyway, it's got the little the little dropper top so that it just gives you, you know, 1 drop at a time. Goodness, this one's really in here. Hold on. Get my tool. There we go. So that's what it looks like. You put in the top so it gives you just 1 drop at a time. You get 6 of these blender bottles, and you get 6 of these roll-on bottles. Okay, that has the little roller top, and so that's really great for carrying in your purse and things like that. So you get all of these things every 6 months, but you get it with your first subscription, and then every 6 months so that you can make all of the recipes. So let's see what recipe cards come in this month's box. Number 1, a burn salve. Yep, I knew that's probably what the oil was for. This actually is going to use beeswax, the liquid coconut oil, some lavender, and the Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil blend. So that would be, you know, if you get a burn, and also for sunburn. It says this is good relief for that. Now this does use a double boiler, so I'm not going to be able to make this one on screen just because that would be in my kitchen and I'm not going to film in there, but you would use the beeswax and then those other items there to make that recipe. A skin healing gel. Okay, here's our aloe vera gel. So basically in our aloe vera gel, we're going to add some Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil and a little bit of coconut oil to make it a little more liquidy, be able to use that. Let's see, it says apply mixture to Bumps and Boo Boos to soothe the area and support the skin's natural healing process. So remember which oils were in this blend: helichrysum, lavender, tea tree, and lemon. So all those together are going to be a natural way to heal some skin irritation. So we'll make this one today. Digest Help Roll On to soothe nausea and upset digestive system. So we're going to make that in a roll-on bottle with cardamom, lavender, and some coconut oil. So we'll put that one together. No Stress Blend. Okay, so that's what we're going to blend 3 of these oils that came in our box in one of these blend bottles, and then this is what you can drip into your diffuser if you're feeling stressed, and then the aroma will help calm you. So this will be lavender, cardamom, and timber. The other 2 recipes are a calendula solar infused oil. So that's where the dried flowers come in, and a carrier oil, and they actually have you mix this and set it out in the sun for 2 to 3 weeks to get the sun or the solar power to infuse the oil. So that's pretty interesting. I may start this one and then show it to you next month when it's sat for a while. And the 6th recipe is a sleek and smooth shaving butter. Ooh, I like this. Okay, this is the one using our solid coconut oil with a little bit of the liquid and then 20 drops of timber essential oil. It says to use, apply to skin after shaving to moisturize skin and prevent acne and ingrown hairs. That's really awesome. So those three I'm not going to make today, but you will have everything you need if you subscribe to the essential oil recipe box. I'll have all the details in the description box below, but basically it's $39 a month. You can cancel at any time. You get the free bonus box with your first subscription, and if you use my code when you make your first subscription order, you will get a $40 credit towards your next either month's box, or if you want to order any individual items. So let me get set up to show you how easy it is to put these three recipes together, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's start first of all with our skin healing gel using our aloe vera gel and our Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil blend, a little bit of coconut oil. So basically what we're going to do here is just in this container that already has our 2 ounces of pure aloe vera gel, it says we're going to add the essential oil and the carrier oil and mix thoroughly. So 20 drops of Bumps and Boo Boos. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Okay. And then just a half a teaspoon of our coconut oil. All right, and then it says mix thoroughly, which I'm going to do very carefully because I don't want it to splash, but it looks like they left just enough room in the container to be able to mix it. So that is super easy. All right, probably I could put the lid on and shake it too. All right, so also another thing with these oils is I showed you the labels. So before I start using them, come on, focus. Okay, I don't know why we're not focusing. There we go. Is I put the labels on so that when I start using them, I match the correct lid back to the container. So there's my Bumps and Boo Boos. And then even for this, since now it's not just aloe vera gel, it's the skin healing gel, we will go ahead and put this label right over the top of that so we know that that's what this is. All right, so that's our first recipe all done. Second, let's make this Digest Help roll-on. Got my labels here. For this, we're going to use cardamom, lavender, and coconut oil. So I have those here. I have them labeled, and my roll-on bottle. It says we're just going to use 3 drops of each oil and then basically fill the rest of the bottle with the coconut oil. So we'll do 1, 2, 3 drops of cardamom. Put the lid back on. 3 drops of our lavender. 1, 2, 3. We'll swirl those to mix them and then add our oil. I add it up to this top part here where it starts to round the bottle, and that way I have room to put in the little stopper with the roller ball. All right, I'd love to know in the comments if any of you have used essential oils, if you've tried the Simply Earth recipe box, and what you think, what your favorite oil is. All right, and then we got to put the roller ball stopper in. I give it a good twirl to get some of that oil moving on that ball. All right, and then get the lid on. All right, last step is just to put our label on the top, if I can peel it. There we go. This way you can find it easily, especially if you have one of the boxes where they stand up and you can read the labels. Then this one, the roll-ons, these labels go sideways like this and pretty much cover, you know, the entire side. Oops, got a little oil on there. It doesn't want to stick. All right, there we go. So there's our Digest Help roll-on. So that was recipe number 2. All right, our final one for today. Let's put together our No Stress blend. We're going to do that in this smaller 5 milliliter bottle. Now, if you just want to keep these oils separate next to your diffuser, each time you used them, you would do 1 drop of cardamom, 3 drops of lavender, and 1 drop of timber. But that's the great thing about mixing the blend ahead of time, is that you always have it. You don't have to think, you just, you know, a few drops of it and you're good to go. So when we make this master blend, we're going to do 60 drops of lavender, 20 cardamom, and 20 timber. So let's start with that lavender, and I will pause this while I put 60 drops in here. Okay, we have our 60 drops of lavender, and now we're going to add our 20 cardamom and then our 20 timber. So these 5 milliliter bottles will hold 100 drops. So that's kind of how they figure the ratios. So 60, 20, 20, that's 100. Here we go, timber, 1, 2, and 20. All right, let's put our little stopper in. So we just get 1 drop at a time. And our lid. And final step again is to put on our labels. This might go to work with me today. No Stress blend. I don't have a super stressful job, but sometimes it's nice to have the oils going in the diffuser. I might not be stressed, but other people might, so might be nice. All right, and the side label, what's great about this, oops, don't put it on upside down, is it tells you again what single oils are included in this blend that you just made. So there it is, the No Stress blend. All right, guys, that is the June essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. And if you decide to try out the recipe oil box, let me know. Thanks so much. Bye.